renal artery, segmental artery, which turns into interlobar artery, arcuate artery, and cortical radiate arteries. And then they turn into afferent arteriole, glomerular capillaries, efferent arterioles. Then we have, if I look at the entire kidney, I have the cortex and I have the medulla. In the medulla, I have these triangles which are called renal pyramids. In between the triangles, I have this area which is the renal cortex. The renal column. The pointy end of the pyramid is called the renal papilla, which opens into a small tube called the minor calyx, which join to make the major calyx, which join to make the renal pelvis, which opens into the ureter, and then bladder, urethra, and out. Then you have two types of nephrons, cortical and juxtamedullary. If I say cortical, 85% make the urine. If I say juxtamedullary, 15% concentrate the urine. So in a nephron, you have the Bowman's capsule, also called glomerular capsule. Then PCT, P means proximal, D means distal. PCT, then descending limb of loop of Henle, ascending limb of loop of Henle, and then this is the DCT, and this is the collecting duct. Collecting duct is not part of the nephron. This is your arcuate artery and arcuate vein. So this is your cortex, this is your medulla. In the cortex, you have mainly cortical nephrons. In the medulla, you have the long loop of juxtamedullary nephrons. This network that you see, those are your peritubular capillaries. These lines that you see, those are your vasa recta. Karen, you can come over here. Come over here. Vasa recta. This is the renal corpuscle. So the renal corpuscle is the Bowman's capsule and the glomerular capillaries. So this is the afferent glomerular capillaries, efferent arterioles. Afferent arteriole, glomerular capillaries, efferent arteriole. Then the Bowman's capsule has visceral layer and the parietal layer. Visceral layer, you have the podocytes, and parietal layer is simple squamous epithelium. So if this is the Bowman's capsule, this is the capsular space. When you filter the blood, it ends up in the space. This is your PCT. Over here will be your loop of Henle, descending and ascending, and then DCT, and it ends in the collecting duct.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.